A little bit deeper.
Yeah.
This is a tour of the boat. As you can see, we might tape me soon taking the wheel.
Got a big old bobber on here.
The boat on the way back.
Right now we're fishing. I'm just making like one of those home videos. I mean, this is our boat.
Anything there, Rick?
We're back on the Memorial Day. Well, it's not really Memorial Day yet. It's tomorrow. But you know, I feel like it's today because we're gonna see the fireworks tonight. I mean, yeah, it's gonna be really exciting. Yeah, you know, this is just a fishing cart. I'll see you when I take the wheel. Let's see how
Damon, give me the iPod. You gotta
see how this thing
Damon,
runs.
get over here, hurry.
Let's see how this thing runs.
Oh, we're gonna get going.
Oh
this time.
yeah. Yeah, Sean, here we go.
Hang on. Right? Oh no, we're in a storm. Hang on, all in.
Yeah, Sean. Here we go. You might not hear me because there's so much wind. I don't think I have a chance to drive it. Anyways, I think that got a little bit out of hand.
And it's flying everywhere. Hang on. We gotta put something
Yeah.
Please stop videotaping.
I will see you on the fireworks. I tricked you. It was Jasper 2001's first riding on a tube. Here we go. We're gonna accelerate the boat. I bet he's having fun there. He's having a blast. I bet Jasper 2001 is enjoying his first time riding his tube. So guys, I will see you really on the fireworks. Also, before it's storming, but Alex, Jasper 2001's first time driving our boat. Would you look at that? Yeah, it's getting pretty close to the time, I think, to the fireworks. Not real. It's 2:33 p.m. Guys, I know I'm tricking you a bunch of times, but I will see you at the fireworks. This time I'm being honest, but I'm proud of Jasper for driving a boat. I was driving the boat a little bit ago as well, but I did not get a chance to tape it. And I will see you at the fireworks. Breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news. We are under a bridge. Okay, as I was saying, we're under a bridge and we're trying to wait until the rain stops and there's like a... Yeah, we're under a bridge.
Hey, you gotta pee.
This is a really bad situation, as you can see. They're trying to fish in the rain. This is before the fireworks, guys. I'm really sorry if you're impatient with the video. And then here's all the fish that we caught.
They're still fishing. Look at them. They don't care.
But we are not the only ones under.
That big spider up there, David. Look.
Where?
On the other side. Look how big it is.
Where?
On the other side, you don't see him hanging from the web right above.
Oh, I see him. He's really big. But we're not the only ones. There's a lot of people over there as well. And by the way, guys, even though this is like we're in a bad situation and there's breaking news and stuff, but we'll see you on the fireworks, I promise. This is the very last footage of the boat. See, they're trying to get under the bridge too. Sorry, guys, if you're very impatient with the boat footage, but I'll see you on the fireworks. Not really too close to the time, but whatever. it's getting pretty dark. As you can see, we arrived at the place where the fireworks are gonna take place. But the reason why I'm videotaping before the fireworks right now is because 2 hot air balloons are gonna take off. What? I'm like, dang, son, where'd you get those flames when it... I bet this car is fueled up by Miss Twist for gasoline. It would have been funny.
You see Bree Damon?
No.
Well, look around the crowd. She's somewhere.
Oh wow, look at that. It's a Twist car. I mean, yeah. Yeah, we can just see it from this view.
She didn't go all the way up there. Where's she?
Yeah, I don't know when. I think it's gonna go up now. Nope. I don't think so. Seamlessly, I don't think we're gonna be watching the hot air balloons rising up. I guess we're gonna...
She ran ahead of us when we were headed over.
Okay, here we go. Okay, this must have been a test with the firework display. So yeah. Yeah. We'll see you on the fireworks when they go up, because they're gonna be going up pretty soon, as you can see there. Here we go. Woo! These are some loud ones. Here we go, I think. Yep, some launching sums. That made me blink. Oh yeah. Finally. Whoa, did you see that? I think I saw that firework in public nuisance. Holy snap. These are really loud. Whoa, that one was like a swirly shape. Here we go. Strobe lights and stuff. Here goes another one. Invisible launch. That was really big. It keeps... I really wish it would... Dang, son, where'd you get that boomstick? Where'd you get that boomstick? Okay. I was... Okay. Okay, ah! I think it's gonna be a big one. Boom. Holy snap, that one was huge. These are way bigger than Bluebell Beaches. Everybody love. There's some cops over there. Where'd you get that boomstick, son? Oh, wait, it's on fire. Oh no. I thought... No. Oh, that one must have been the biggest boom yet. Actually, the biggest boom sound, not the biggest flash. Come on. These are thousands of dollars worth of fireworks. I'll see you on the next one.